Welcome to the Cerritos College SAS Accommodation Letter instructional video. This video will show you how to send SAS Specialist approved accommodation letters to your instructors using our new user-friendly online system. Regular use of this system is key to keeping your instructors informed of any accommodations you will need for your current and upcoming courses at Cerritos College. To begin, start by typing in www.cerritos.edu/SAS in your web browser. Entering this link in your browser will display the page shown here. Click SAS Student Portal as shown below. Then click Send Accommodation Letter to Instructor to continue. Please note that all SAS students must complete an intake appointment with an SAS specialist in order to send an accommodation letter to an instructor using this website. For information on how to navigate this site, you may view an instructional guide by clicking here, or you may access this instructional video at a later date by clicking here. Please select the Accommodations button here to continue. Please enter your student ID and password into the fields as shown. This is the same as the password you use to add or drop courses. If you cannot remember your password, please type in portal.cerritos.edu into your web browser to reset it. After entering a valid ID and password, select Login. Based on the date the user logs in, the website will default to the corresponding term. If the letter you need is for a different term, click the down arrow to the right and select the term as shown here. To request accommodations for your course, simply click Request. The system will automatically select all of your specialist approved accommodations for the course you have selected. If you do not want to inform your instructors of a specific accommodation that you have been approved for, you may simply deselect the corresponding accommodation checkbox shown here. Similarly, you may also deselect courses that you do not need accommodations for, as shown here. If you need additional accommodations or would like any accommodations permanently removed, you will need to meet with an SAS specialist for an appointment before any changes may be made. If you do not need any changes to your accommodations, please leave the button next to My accommodations are correct the way they are, as shown here. Then, read our privacy and security policy, click I agree to the terms outlined above, and select the Submit button. The web page will then state that your professor has received a request indicating that you have submitted an accommodation letter for their review. That professor can then see the accommodations as you have authorized in the previous step. After informing your instructor of your accommodations, you may click the Get Letter button shown here to download and print your actual letter. Please remember to log out when you are done. Upon logging in at a later date, if your instructor has confirmed that they have read your accommodation letter, you will see the status updated to Confirmed. Feel free to contact us at 562-860-2451, extension 2335, if you have any additional questions. Thank you for watching, and go Falcons!